All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Lytmi clip-on Bluetooth earbuds, or the Lytmi Cozy clip-on Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, I'm going to go over a fitting demonstration for everyone and let everyone know how I feel about the overall fit of these earbuds. And then we're going to do two things in regards to the audio. We're going to do a leakage test, and then we're going to do a sound sample to the best of my ability. So with that being said, without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. Starting off here, let's do a real quick fitting demonstration, and let me talk to you guys and gals about how I feel about the overall fit of these clip-on Bluetooth earbuds. So starting off here, you can see a nice front profile of the earbuds. You can see the earbuds are clipped onto my earlobes here, kind of like some earrings. And this is how they look from the front profile. And then if I turn to my left, this will give you a good shot of the right earbud right here. Okay. And then if I turn to my right, this will give you a good shot of the left earbud right here. Just so y'all can get an idea of how this looks. Okay. Now, talking about how I feel about the overall fit of these earbuds, I have to say these earbuds fit really, really good. Not quite top notch, because if I want to get the best overall sound quality, I have to kind of push them in like this. But if I let them rest how they naturally would rest on my ears, it kind of comes out a little bit. So in terms of the overall fit, I kind of wish it was snugger on my ears, but overall it is really, really good, and I've had no issues wearing these earbuds for any of the activities that I've tried to do, whether that be sleeping, exercising, or regular housework. Even driving, I did not have any issues wearing these clip-on style earbuds. So that leads me to say the overall fit of these earbuds is really good. Really good indeed. And as I always do in the fit and sound demo, I'll have some B-roll thrown up of a nice close-up of the earbuds in post, so y'all can get a really good look as to how these earbuds look. Okay? But overall, in regards to the fit, as I've said, I think it's really good. Moving on now, let's get into our sound samples and our sound sample demonstration. This first sound sample is going to be a leakage test. Now, for reference, I have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 6a right here. I'll have all the necessary B-roll thrown up in post. And I do have the earbuds set to 100% volume, as you can see right there. And I am using my professional clip-on audio here today, and it is less than a foot away from my mouth, and that means that you should be able to easily pick up any leakage coming off of these earbuds at max volume. Okay, so now I got a good friend of mine's, your boy Two Phones, music queued up. I'm going to leave links to his music and his channel down below in the video description. If you like the music you hear in the video, please give him a subscribe and give him a follow. Okay, and let's go ahead and push play, and we're going to do the first audio test or audio sample test, which is a leakage test. I'm going to push play and be quiet now. Then after this, I'm going to come back and give you guys and gals my overall thoughts on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. And then we'll move on to the last audio test. All right, let me stop talking now and let me push play. Alright, let me pause it here. Alright. Now, overall, how do I feel about the overall sound quality of these earbuds? Overall, I have to say the sound quality on these is top notch. Up next, how do I feel about the overall volume of these earbuds? Overall, I have to say the volume of these earbuds is top notch. And last but certainly not least, how do I feel about the overall bass of these earbuds? Well, in terms of the bass, I would have to say it goes from good to really good. Like I said, if I position the earbuds in a nice snug style like here, then the overall bass is really good. It has punch. It's not quite deep and gritty, but it's there. But if I let the earbuds sit where they naturally rest on my ears in a comfortable position, then I would have to say the bass on these is just okay. It's kind of soft, okay? But overall, I would have to say, in regards to the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds, I'd have to say it's really good. Okay, each category bumps the other category down one if it's lesser than the other category. So, you know, top notch overall sound quality is bumped down to really good because it has a really good overall bass. So top notch overall sound quality and top notch overall volume get bumped down because the bass is good. Okay? So that brings every other category down one, meaning that the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass of these earbuds is really good. Okay? I'll be sure to reiterate this in the full review as well. Okay? Now, let's get into our last audio sample test. I'm going to give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. And this is actually going to be quite difficult because these earbuds have built-in touch controls on the back of the stems here. And I'm constantly always clicking them by accident. I kind of wish there was a dedicated button there instead of touch controls, but it is what it is. I'm going to try my best. So let's go ahead and start the music now. And then I'll hold the earbuds up to the mic and give y'all a nice audio sample. Here we go. Started the music. Let's take these off. That's one. And here we go with two. And let's hold them up. And let's just do this for about 1 minute, starting now. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear the leakage coming off of these at 100% volume. So you definitely, if you're rocking these at 100% volume, you kind of want to be in a private area because otherwise people might be able to hear what you're listening to or your conversation if you're talking. "15 seconds remaining." Okay, there we go. Put these back in and pause the music. Okay, that's one side, and let's do the other side. And this way y'all can see how easy they are to put on and take off as well. A lot easier with the right hand than it is with the left hand, but I'm a righty, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. Once again, this has been a fit and sound demo of the Lytmi Cozy Clip-On Bluetooth Earbuds, or the Lytmi Clip-On Bluetooth Earbuds. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please do that. It helps me out so much. You don't know how much. Also, let me know how you guys and gals feel the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass was based on the demonstrations that you heard from this video. And for reference, today's video was recorded with the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS. And we do have professional clip-on audio hooked up here today, and we are using my professional studio lights here today as well. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality. Please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. As well as if you guys and gals would like to know where you can see any more of the extended coverage on these earbuds, or where you guys and gals can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all of my extended coverage on these earbuds, as well as where you guys and gals can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices and help support the channel via affiliate links, will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion, and that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Yeah, I would have to say I'm really enjoying these earbuds. I honestly might keep these. They're not perfect, but they are super convenient, and I like everything that they offer. But we're going to dive into it in more detail in the full review. Have a good one, everyone. Stay safe. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.